you want to make sure that you have at least 3 to 7 days worth of supplies. Things like water, non-perishable food in cans. A manual can opener would be important as well in case the power is out. Battery-powered hand crank radios are a great suggestion, so you can keep informed even when the power's out. Also things like flashlights, a first aid kit, a whistle to signal for help, dusk masks, plastic sheeting and duct tapes for shelter if you need to reinforce your shelter, moist towelettes and garbage bags for sanitation, and some tools you want to have on hand just in case those become necessary.